In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact PayMaya customer support. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to maya.ph, and then over here you can see, if you go down to the very bottom of the website, it says over here Maya customer hotline. Now this is basically the customer hotline you should call if you want to get any support from their customer service. Now of course, if that's not what you're looking for, you can click on contact us over here, and then this will take you to this website where basically you can get 24/7 assistance inside their help center. It's going to tell you how to get to it. So inside their help center, inside your app, basically, you can click on get help, and then you can chat with them, choose a topic, and then you can chat with with an agent or raise a ticket. Now over here, after you've submitted a ticket, you can expect the email from this email over here within 2 working days. But if you want over the phone assistance, as I showed you earlier over here, you can get assistance via this number over here for Maya app concerns, or this number over here for Maya Center concerns. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.